Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App Bank decline payments. So if you're interested, let's start our video. So there's a few reasons why you are receiving this issue. So one of those reasons for that is you might want to actually check if the info on the card and the bank details that you have on a Cash App account actually matches. So if those details doesn't actually matches, you have to ensure that your details is actually up to date. So if your details are not up to date, they might have suspicion that there are suspicious activities going around on your account, and that would be one of the reasons that why you are receiving the declined payments. So another reason why you're receiving this issue is you might not have been recently active on Cash App. So you just want to wait again later and check if that actually solves your issue. But yeah, basically you just need to ensure that your details are up to date and are correct and matches the bank details, and your details on your Cash App application are the same and there's no discrepancies on your details. So if you have any further questions, you could go ahead and reach out to their customer support. Just go to their website, that's cash.app, and look for Contact Us. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.